Venture into the heart of the tropical rainforests, where the majestic Harpy Eagle, the largest and most powerful raptor in the Americas, reigns supreme. With its slate-black feathers, piercing gray eyes, and a wingspan stretching up to 7 feet, this near-threatened species is a sight to behold. Witness the Harpy Eagle's unparalleled strength as it effortlessly snatches prey from sloths to monkeys right off the tree branches. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of this formidable bird of prey, a true embodiment of the wild's untamed spirit. Size and description. Meet the Harpy Eagle, a bird that seems to have leaped right out of a storybook. This unique species, known to scientists as Harpy Eagle, is the only one of its kind in its group. It shares a close bond with the crested eagle and the New Guinea Harpy Eagle, all of them part of a larger family known as Accipitridae. The size of the Harpy Eagle is genuinely awe-inspiring, with measurements reaching up to 42 inches from tip to tail. It stands as one of the world's largest eagles. It can reach up to 3 feet 5 inches in height, with an overall wingspan of up to 7 feet 4 inches. The female Harpy Eagle weighs between 13 and 20 pounds, while the male weighs between 9 and 13 pounds. The length of the rear talons is about 4 to 5 inches, just the same as a grizzly bear's claws. These talons give the harpy enough power and grip to lift prey up to half of their own weight. The name Harpy Eagle has roots in ancient Greek mythology. Harpia, wind spirits, were said to guide the dead to the underworld. These spirits were depicted with a raptor's body, a woman's head, and a stature varying in size. Some images even showed them with a grotesque, sharp-toothed, eagle-like head and a vast wingspan. The formidable Harpy Eagle, with its powerful talons, aptly carries this legendary name. Harpy Eagle, one of the most powerful raptors globally. Imagine the might of a grizzly bear compacted into the form of an eagle. The Harpy Eagle's rear talons, measuring a staggering 4 to 5 inches, are on par with a grizzly's claws. These formidable talons provide the harpy with the power and grip to hoist prey equal to half of its own weight. In terms of size, the Harpy Eagle is a true giant. From tip to tail, it can measure an impressive 42 inches, making it one of the largest eagles in the world. Diet. The Harpy Eagle, a top predator in its ecosystem, has a diet as impressive as its stature. These birds are known for their remarkable hunting skills, which they use to capture a wide variety of prey. Their diet primarily consists of tree-dwelling mammals, with a particular preference for sloths and monkeys. In fact, research conducted in the Amazon rainforest revealed that nearly 80% of the Harpy Eagle's diet was made up of these two species. But the Harpy Eagle's menu doesn't stop there. They also prey on other arboreal and terrestrial mammals, including porcupines, agoutis, and even carnivores like kinkajous and cotis. In some instances, they've been known to hunt larger prey such as ocelots and crab-eating raccoons. Birds, too, are not safe from the Harpy Eagle's talons. Macaws and other parrots, along with crassids like curassows, often find themselves on the Harpy Eagle's dinner plate. Even reptiles such as iguanas, tegus, and snakes are part of this raptor's diverse diet. Despite their powerful hunting capabilities, Harpy Eagles are not known to regularly prey on domestic livestock. However, their ability to control populations of mesopredators, such as capuchin monkeys, is crucial for maintaining the balance in their ecosystem. Hunting techniques. The Harpy Eagle is a master hunter that employs a diverse array of hunting strategies to secure its prey. Each one as captivating as it is effective. Perch hunting is the most frequently used technique. From a lofty perch, the eagle surveys its domain, its keen eye scanning the forest floor for any sign of movement. Once a potential meal is spotted, the Harpy Eagle launches from its perch, swooping down with precision and speed to seize its prey with its formidable talons. But the Harpy Eagle is not just a hunter, it's a silent assassin. Despite its impressive wingspan of up to 6.5 feet, it glides through the forest with the stealth and silence of a drone. It uses its imposing size and powerful talons to launch surprise attacks, catching its prey unaware and overpowering them before they have a chance to react. Ambush is another tactic in the Harpy Eagle's hunting repertoire. From above, it swoops down on its unsuspecting prey, catching them off guard and securing its meal. In some instances, the Harpy Eagle will engage in a thrilling chase, using its speed and agility to pursue its prey through the dense forest, a testament to its hunting prowess. The Harpy Eagle is not picky when it comes to its diet. It's an opportunistic hunter, preying on a variety of animals, from sloths and monkeys to opossums. It has even been known to take down larger creatures such as deer, consuming them on branches closer to the ground. This powerful raptor is a master of the hunt, using a combination of perch hunting, surprise attacks, ambushes, and chases to secure its meals. It leverages its size, strength, and powerful talons to overpower a diverse range of prey, a testament to its status as one of the most powerful eagles on Earth. Habitat and distribution. The Harpy Eagle finds its home in the lush tropical rainforest stretching from southern Mexico to Argentina. Its habitat is a world of towering trees and dense foliage, where it reigns supreme in the upper canopy layer. This elusive bird is most commonly sighted in Brazil, where it thrives across the entire country. However, its presence is not limited to the rainforest alone. Harpy eagles have been known to venture into semi-open forests and pasture mosaics during hunting forays, and even fly over forest borders into various habitats such as Cerrados, Caatingas, burrito palm stands, cultivating fields, and even cities. Despite its wide-ranging habitat, the Harpy Eagle is a rare sight in many parts of its former range. The logging industry's relentless destruction of the Mesoamerican rainforests has nearly wiped out the Harpy Eagle population in Central America. The bird's habitat is also threatened by climate change, which is expected to further diminish the rainforests. The Harpy Eagle prefers to nest within tropical lowland rainforests, choosing locations from the canopy to the emergent vegetation. It typically resides below an elevation of 900 meters, but has been recorded at elevations up to 2,000 meters. The bird perches on emergent trees to scout for prey and rarely ventures into disturbed areas, preferring to avoid human contact whenever possible. Conservation status. The Harpy Eagle is unfortunately facing a precarious future. Its existence is threatened primarily by habitat loss due to the expansion of logging, cattle ranching, agriculture, and prospecting. The eagle's large size and fearless behavior around humans make it an irresistible target for hunters, despite it not being known to prey on humans or domestic livestock. The Harpy Eagle's distribution and populations have dwindled considerably, and it is now considered near threatened by the International Union of Conservation of Nature, IUCN, and threatened with extinction by the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora, CITES. In Central America and Mexico, where it was once a common sight, the Harpy Eagle is now critically endangered. It has been extirpated in most of its former range and is nearly extinct in countries like El Salvador and Costa Rica. In South America, the situation is slightly better, but the eagle is still considered near threatened or vulnerable in most parts of its range. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the life of the Harpy Eagle. Don't hesitate to check more of our videos.